Look at 1 Corinthians chapter 10. The Bible says this in verse 13. There hath no temptation taken you, but such as is common to man. This is a verse that's telling you that other folks have gone through what you're going through. Now, it does not have this verse in here to minimize what you're going through. You can't read it that way. It's not minimizing what you're facing. Are you with me? You need to know this, and I've talked about this many a time. Your problems are all big to you. Right? Can I help you when we're trying to deal with somebody that's gone through things that you've gone through? Or you're helping somebody to go through. You don't have words that are magic. Can I help you? You don't have the hallmark statement that you can make to somebody to bring them out of their sadness. You don't have it, so stop trying to do it. And please, I'm begging everybody here, don't tell somebody, well, God knew. That's not helping. I'll tell you what helps. Can I tell you what helps? I love you. I'm praying for you. You don't have to go any further than that. You know, the vast majority of the time I learned this from my dad. We'd go to the hospital. And my dad could talk to anybody. Don't ever get on an elevator with him. Good Lord. I'm going to tell you, he'd press every button just to make sure you stayed in there longer. But I watched him. My dad was probably one of the best at comforting. You would imagine that we'd break out the Bible, right? Nope. My dad, and you probably have experienced this from him, at least some of you. My dad was just there. Didn't say anything. He would tell you that he loved you and that he was praying. The magic words were not words at all. It was just him being there.